30 seconds and you'll know the basics of digital marketing. First and foremost, customer is king. You need to understand who you're talking to so that you can tailor your content according to your audience's interests.
So we should dive into our audience's preferences and behaviors.
Exactly. Secondly, content. You need to create unique and fresh content. By trying creative formats and incorporating SEO into your content, you can get noticed by your target audience.
So quality and creativity are the key. What about context?
Context is super important. You need to know what is going on in the outside world so that you can create content that resonates with your audience at the right time.
So it's not just about what we say, but how and when we say it.
Yes, if you keep these 3 C's, that is customer, content and context in mind, then you're on your way to create effective and important digital marketing campaigns.
That is great. Is there anything else as well that we can focus on?
There are 7 C's that you need to keep in mind. So stay tuned to know more.